Hello guys, with another video. Today I am showing 3 uses for the Minecart and furnace. Here's the first one. I'm going to be doing a video. I'm going to be showing a auto smelter with a Minecart and furnace. So let's pretend that minecart and chest is a minecart and furnace. And up there is the super smelter. Sorry, my game's glitchy. Next use I want to have is with a crafting recipe. Sorry guys. So I imagine that in 1.17, probably the cave update, that we would get a train. You had to put a minecart and furnace in the middle, 3 minecarts across the bottom, and some concrete here, 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 and here. And then it would go faster than a normal minecart. The next one is perfect for people that like to mine, but don't want to craft so many furnaces. So, you know how you get bored of just like crafting more and more and more furnaces? Well, how about you just take a minecart furnace, bring it down to the caves, and then your problems are all done. Hey guys, bye. Sorry it's been so freaking long since the last video. And this has been 3 ways for a use for a minecart and furnace. Well, goodbye and beep.